What's going on, everybody? I'm Tom Zachary with Primetime Manufacturing, and behind me is the Tracer 24 RKS. Let's take a look. When you first walk in the 24 RKS, you have a dual door 6 cubic foot refrigerator, solid surface countertops, a 2-in-1 Furrion cooktop and range along with their low profile range hood and standard microwave. There's also a stainless steel single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. All of that in this rear kitchen. But you can't neglect all of the storage to include a bank of 4 drawers. The full-size dinette does go down into a sleeping surface and houses a ton of storage underneath the benches, which you can access through the top and through the doors on the front. Opposite that is a theater seat, which I've got to say is mighty nice, because not only do you have a nice couch here, but it's also a recliner, has a nice area for the remote control, and a beverage holder here. Now the remote control, to the TV, which is over on the other side of the dinette, attached to a TV elevator. One push of the button and up it will go. Speaking of storage, in this pantry, one side is a floor-to-ceiling pantry and the other is going to be hanging clothes storage. There's a closet rod up top and then shoe storage below. But at the bottom, we also have a full-size, extra-large pots and pans drawer. And over here we have the bathroom where you have a glass shower door, a foot flush toilet, extra-wide vanity, and medicine cabinet with storage. Then in the front is the master bedroom. You have a 60 by 80 residential size queen bed, wardrobes on either side for your hanging clothes, along with a shelf up top and reading lights on the bottom of the shelf. The other thing you will notice is the dual entry to the bathroom. You can get to the bathroom from the hallway and the living room or directly from the bedroom. What that enables you to do is sit on the end of the bed, tie your shoes, put your pants on, all that good stuff. And also when you get out of the shower, it gives you some more elbow room to dry off and get ready for the day. On the outside of this Tracer, we do have all those standard features of the Furrion side marker light with the camera prep. That way you can see the blind spots going down the road, and it also helps as you're backing up. We have the slam latch baggage door with the magnet catch. It is an oversized door with a full pass-through storage, so you can fit all of those big coolers and totes and all that good stuff in there. You have a utility link right here. You can tie up your dog, you can tie up the bikes, the golf cart, any other outside toy that you may want to secure. Now you have an attachment point. Up front here, we do have power stabilizer jacks. Those are on the front and the rear of every Tracer. Next up, it's the power awning with the LED light. One touch button, rolls it out, go the other way, roll it in. Now this 24 RKS does have 2 entries. So this front entry has your standard steel box step, but the rear entry, which is the main entry on this unit, has the solid steps with the extra large grab handle. In between the two, you'll see the beautiful aluminum wheels. Inside those tires is the tire pressure monitoring system that's gonna show you your tire temperature along with that pressure. Extra safety features here on the Tracer. On the rear of the 24 RKS, you have power stabilizer jacks at the bottom, a 4-inch square rear bumper. Mounted to that is the full-size spare, and up top is that backup camera prep. You'll also notice on the back of the 24 RKS, that's where you'll find your detachable power cord, which is 30 amp service. Now, onto the off-door side. Behind this pass-through storage door is your convenience center or universal docking station. People call them 2 different things, but it's basically the same. What you have here are all of the connections, your fresh water hookup, your city water hookup, the outside shower with hot and cold water, your solar prep, along with your battery disconnect and TV hookups, all located right here. At the bottom is this plug, so you can run those connections up and in, and then shut your door, lock it, and everything's nice and secure. You'll also notice that this is the other side of the pass-through storage, so whatever you put in there, you can get out on either side. Up front, we have the power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks underneath this cover, along with your safety chain and 7-way plug holder. On the top, you have a 3/4 fiberglass front cap with LED lights, and then the rock guard down below to protect the front end. And that's the Tracer 24 RKS. Thank you for hitting play and following along. If you have any questions, concerns, or emotional outbreaks, Please feel free to hit us up on any of our social media platforms. There's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and for any of those questions regarding information on specifications, features, options, anything on any tracer floor plan, go to primetimerv.com. Again, I'm Tom Zachary. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.